Space probably does go on forever, but the truth is we don't know yet. Anyway, that's what makes this a great question. We don't even know how big the universe is. We can only see a small part of our universe, the part that light has had the time to travel across to reach us. During that 13.8 billion years since the Big Bang, we call this part the observable universe. Since light travels at a finite speed, it takes a certain amount of time for light to travel a specific distance. Many points in the universe are simply so far away that light from these points has not had enough time yet since the beginning of the universe to reach Earth. And since light travels at the very fastest speed possible, this means that no type of information or signal has had time to reach the Earth from these faraway points. Such locations are outside of our observable universe, and although our observable universe has an edge, the universe as a whole is infinite and has no edge. Since the universe is continuously expanding, all galaxy groups are getting continually further away from each other. These distant galaxies are receding away from Earth at a speed faster than light. The light from these galaxies will never reach us, no matter how long we wait. Therefore, these galaxies will always be outside of our observable universe. Another way of saying is that although the size of the observable universe is increasing, the size of the actual universe is also increasing. The part we see is pretty large, however. It contains around 350 billion large galaxies, each containing up to a trillion suns. But how big is the observable area of the universe? It is 93 billion light years from one side to the other. Now that's a distance even astronomers find hard to think about. So why do scientists think that space goes on forever? It's because of the shape of space. Our part of space or the observable universe has a special shape. It is flat. But how can the universe have no edge if it was created in the Big Bang? The Big Bang did not happen at one point in the universe. It happened everywhere in the universe at once. The universe started out as an infinitely large object and has grown into an even larger ever since. The theory says that space must be really big, which is impossible to imagine, but we can only see a small part of it. I created this video because my 11-year-old son loves watching space videos and he is curious about anything and everything on the Earth as well as outside the Earth. I hope you too have enjoyed watching this video. Though it is made for kids, some of the information might be useful. Thanks for watching and give it a thumb up if you like it and subscribe to keep me going.